In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conversion balances in Xero. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you're set up for success. Let's start by logging into Xero's accounting software. Make sure you have your login details handy. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Xero's login page. Once there, you will see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the login page where you'll enter the email and password associated with your Xero account. After entering your information, click on the login button to access your dashboard. Now that you're in your Xero dashboard, we can dive into those conversion balances. First, look for the accounting menu within the dashboard, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there locate and select the advanced option. This will take you to a page with more advanced accounting settings. Within the advanced settings, find and click on conversion balances. It's important to know that this section is where you can set or edit the opening balances of your accounts as of your conversion date. Now, to set up your conversion date, head to the conversion date tab available in this section. Once you are on the conversion date setup page, you'll see options to enter balances into both the debit and credit accounts. Carefully enter the relevant balances here. It's advisable to double check these figures to ensure accuracy. If you're managing multiple accounts, there's a handy option you can use. Simply click on Show All Accounts. This feature expands the view, allowing you to see every account you have, making it easier to input the correct balances. Now that you've entered your balances accurately, take a moment to go through everything one last time. Once satisfied, look for the Save button and click it to store your changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that all your hard work is saved within Xero. Congratulations! You've successfully added conversion balances in Xero. Remember, this process allows you to establish a clean starting point for your financial period, ensuring that your accounts align correctly from the get-go. Should you need to make any changes in the future, you can always return to these settings and adjust as necessary. Thank you for watching this video on how to add conversion balances in Xero. I hope you found it informative and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or comment below. Until next time, happy accounting.